Okay guys, guess what I did? I failed. Just kidding. Ow, my butt! This is really hot. My driver's test, it was terrifying, okay? You know what? It was actually terrifying. I have never been so nervous. Like, I mean, I was terrified when I got accused of shoplifting, but like, honestly, like it's just like my stomach was killing me. Like, I had this pain, and it was just, like, it felt like I was being stabbed in my ribs, but it also felt like I was gonna throw up, but I also hadn't eaten in like 20 hours because I didn't eat last night. I didn't eat dinner last night by accident. I just fell asleep. And then I woke up this morning at like 5:15, or not even 5:15. I woke up so freaking early. Okay, here we go. That could have been bad. There's like a trap. Oh God, okay. You know what? I'll fix you when I'm at the stop sign. I'm going grocery shopping for my mother because I'm a good human being. And I feel like this is what every single driver does the first day that they get their license. So like, that's where we're at right now. So yeah, bye. I had a successful stop at Aldi to get groceries for my mom. And then I went to CVS to pick up a prescription, and they got nail polish remover and ibuprofen, I guess, yeah. Now I feel that I need to congratulate myself by buying myself a drink from Starbucks. But I'm not gonna do it like, oh, I'm gonna get a pink drink, oh, I'm gonna get a blonde coffee. I'm gonna ask the person on the drive-thru speaker what their favorite drink is, and then I'm gonna get that. Wish me luck! Okay, I've never been through a drive-thru before. Oh, I should probably roll down my window, you know? Can you recommend your favorite iced drink for me?
Well, I like the strawberry dark caffeine.
Okay, can I get your smallest one of those? Okay,
Yeah.
that's it.
Okay,
Okay, thank you. What did I say? It's literally exactly what I said was going to happen. Like, literally, I said I don't want some strawberry acai pink drink. Thank you. You too. Oh, this is new. I've never had it. I need to get out of here. You know what? I'm gonna go. There's a parking lot right here, so I'm just gonna pull into like a random space. You know? I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, this seems like a space. Okay, now, okay, so the reason I saw the whole, like, I saw Ellie Thuman, I saw her do like a drive-thru. It was almost like a getting coffee in cars with celebrity, like something like that. It was kind of like that, where ew, mom, she brought like her friends and they went to Starbucks. She went to Starbucks every single day for a week, and she went to like different ones, and she asked the people who worked there what their favorite drink was, or like an exotic drink. So I wanted to do that. I wanted to copy her. Ooh. Oh yeah. I thought that the strawberry refresher was the pink drink. I thought that it was like what James Charles gets all the time, but I guess it's not. And I've never had it this way. I've only had it the other way, and I mean, it looks okay, but I guess it's like they didn't even fill it all the way up. That's like a scam. Yeah, so let's try it out, shall we? Well, it's really good. I guess it wasn't that bad because when I was thinking it was gonna be, because like I said I don't want a pink drink, and I got a pink drink. How much was that? How was this $6? There's a Taco Bell right there. What's good at Taco Bell? Crunchwrap Supreme, I've always wanted to try that. Can I get a Crunchwrap Supreme, but instead of the ground beef, can I have shredded chicken? Can I have no nacho cheese on that? I have never been to Taco Bell before. The last time I had Taco Bell, I don't know how old I was. I was like probably 10. Thank you. Have a nice day. She closed the window before I could even compliment her and tell her to have a nice day. What? Here's my Crunchwrap Supreme. I've never had one of these before because my mother would never let me get Taco Bell. Anyways, let's see. First bite. There's a crunchy taco in here. Woo! Oh. Okay. I don't know who that was. This is good. So, let me take you through my experience at the DMV. So, my experience with the road test was my instructor was a weird person. He would just be like, and then wouldn't pay attention. I went half the test with my mirror unadjusted. I didn't adjust it. It was still the same thing from the kid who was before me in the car that I was using, who's 6'1". It was like that. It was like tilted all the way up. Like he can see way over my head. Like it actually made me less nervous, like his sniffling. When I realized that my mirror was like too off, it was way off. I fixed it at a stop sign. When we were at the stop sign, I look over him and he's admiring himself in the mirror. He like pulled this down and then he like slid it open and he was just like, I know that I did some wrong things, but I'm really, really good on the road. I swear, even though that you might think that I'm like ahead for like not knowing how to park straight in a parking space, I'm just trying to eat my Crunchwrap Supreme. I thought I ended the part. Okay, so day 2 of having my license. We are going to take a ride to my driving instructor's office because he wants to give me like a diploma and a t-shirt, I guess. So I mean, like, that's nice. But before I do that, I'm gonna go to Goodwill because I want to get some outfits, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, let's get going. Hungry and I keep forgetting to eat food. Let's see what's around here. There is McDonald's. I don't want to eat McDonald's. There's Wendy's. I don't know if I want Wendy's. There's Subway right there. I don't really want Subway. There might be a Chinese place. Dumplings. I'm gonna go drive to this place. It's literally like right down the street, but if it's still there, because there was like a fortune walk over here in like a plaza, and if it's still there, I'm gonna get dumplings. Yes. Another mukbang, another day. I'm gonna stop ordering food. So while I'm doing this, I thought, maybe we could just do this, like, just another thing to add to this video, like a jam-packed video, lots of car time. Do a mukbang. What is this? Is this rice? Did she give me rice? She gave me rice! That's so exciting! Oh my god. Are these my dumplings? That's cheap. Okay. I'm pissed. So let's do like a playlist video as well. Let's just do it.
Many bottles of this wine we can't pronounce. Too many bowls of that green, no lucky charms. The maids come around too much. parents ain't around. Be numb, bitch kids with nothing but fake.
There's a baby corn in here. I'm coming here more often.
On the roof, there's nothing like this type of view.
I can't focus on what needs to get done. All my notice open digital run. You think I'm tepid, but I'm mistaken. You make it difficult to not overthink. And when I'm with you, I turn on shades of pink. And I'm not tryna be with you now, no. But I could be a crush, like feel you for a rush, like hoping you text me so I could tell you I've been thinking about your touch, like touch, 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 touch. I could be a crush, 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 crush.
I don't know why'd you do this to me. You're so cold. You be playing like yeah, 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 yeah. Here's the part where I'm gonna get hurt. So they say that you live and you look like
Yeah.
she gon' mess with your head, oh yeah. And she'll flirt with your friend, oh yeah. Every time she moves on, she says,
Don't take it personal. Gonna make you wanna why you even try. And I'm gonna get your rock bottom hanging over my head, and it ain't coming down.
It's so good. The food in the song is so sick. After this, we gotta go.
And it don't change if I had it my way. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it, I just wanna see. I just wanna see how you